Welcome to Sysadvance. Sysadvance continues its strong expansion in the North American RNG space, with several confirmed projects to be installed in the coming months. Sysadvance is thrilled to announce the rollout of another Methagen AD system for biogas upgrading to be installed in Wisconsin, USA. This system will purify biogas from dairy farms, producing RNG for grid injection. Sysadvance technology is being recognized as one of the best solutions in the market for its high methane recovery, high heating value, and low energy consumption. Sysadvance Methagen system is designed to meet efficiently the strictest pipeline specification while providing reliable biogas upgrading. Sysadvance systems are built to the highest quality standards, meeting all North American codes and standards. For more information, visit us at sysadvance.com.